This is Nathan Cruz, and in this short demonstration and instructional video, I'm going to show you how to use the new LAZ Point Cloud Quick Viewer Windows Shell extension that I have just published. Once you download the installer and install the product, you'll get two things. You'll get a Point Cloud sample files folder, which I already have opened. And you'll also get a Point Cloud Extensions options program that allows you to select the file format, JPEG or PNG, and also the file size, which I'm going to tell it 2048. And once you have it installed, you can single select or multi-select your LAZ files, right click, and it'll detect that you've selected two applicable files, and you have the option to generate the point cloud images. Now it's going to generate each one of these in a separate thread, so it happens pretty quickly. And here we get a colorized or elevation coloring on a non-colored aerial LiDAR file. And here we get a colorized version for a aerial photogrammetry project. Now there is caching, so if I select these again and generate, it's already detected that they're finished. But if I delete one and do it again, that'll simply generate the one. Another option, I'll go into this folder. Another option is to generate by folders. So I can generate all the point cloud images in a folder. So I'll just right click. And if there's more than 5, it's going to ask you, are you sure? And you could say yes. And if I bring up the task manager really quickly, you can see that we spiked on a few of the cores. This is a 16 process machine, and we only had 5 files to process, so you can see that it processed 1 file per thread. And if we go in and view our large icons, we can see the kind of images that you get. You also get text that's burned in to the image that tells you the file name, how big the file was, and the number of points, which is kind of useful if you just want to figure out how many points are in the darn thing. You can quickly do this and you can get a report. And if there's users out there that would like to see other kinds of information quickly burned in, I can certainly talk to you about doing that. Another cool thing that you can do is you can multi-select files that you know are in the same coordinate system in the same area, and you could generate a merged point cloud. Also very fast. So this was 15 million points, and it did that in, I don't know, less than 2 seconds. And here you get a nice preview image. Again, it's telling you the total file size for your LAS files and the total number of points. And again, it is multi-threaded, so it's extremely fast in producing these files. So if you just want to find out how many points are in a file, this is a good way to do it, and also tells you what they look like. And if you have any comments or questions or suggestions to improve this, or if you're interested in custom versions of this, because this can also be configured and run as a server-side product. So if you have a server-side and you want to generate thumbnail images for your LiDAR or photogrammetry files and you don't already have them produced, like on older LiDAR-based systems, then this tool can certainly be used to do that. And since it has the built-in caching logic, you can generate these preview images as new LiDAR files are added, and be able to provide those to your web-based users.